Hey guys, welcome to a new video on NailPossible. Today I'm gonna demo some products I received from Born Pretty store. But before we get into the demo, let me show you what I got. First product is this matte glitter polish. It sounds weird, but that's what it is. This is Drop in Ocean from their Pearlescent Matte series. As always, these little bottles have 6 ml, and the bottle for this one is actually matte. Next product is this holographic stamping polish. No subtle holo on this one. This is Fantasy Sky from the Fantasy Holographic series. As I was saying, not subtle at all. It's very reflective under direct light. Just like the last one, it has 6 ml of product. As always, the bottles say if they're stamping polish or regular polish to avoid any confusion. And finally, we have a stamping plate. This is a geometric plate with tons of very basic images. Okay, so let's start with the demo. I have base coat on my nails already, and because these two polishes are very similar, I'm going to use this beige polish so we can actually see the colors. I'm going to skip the ring finger and the thumb and clean up where necessary. We're going to apply the matte glitter on the nails we skipped before. And as a first impression, I'm a tiny bit disappointed because the color is not exactly what I thought. I thought it was like a really dark purple, which it kind of looks like that a little bit here on the video. But as I was applying it, it looked more like a brown or even a black with silver glitter. Another thing is that this polish is super thick. I don't think that's a bad thing because I was kind of expecting that due to the finish, but it's something to take into consideration. I'm going to clean up here now, and now we're going to use this image from the stamping plate using the holo stamping polish. It looks a little bit thin for a stamping polish, but it works great over this beige. We clean up the residue from the stamping. And now with a thin brush, I'm going to fill in the triangle on the base of the nail with the matte glitter. We're now going to use this triangle image again with the same polish, and we're going to stamp it on the side of the next nail. Finally, from this image, we're going to use the second thickest line. And we're going to stamp it as the border of the other image. We clean up one more time. To finish, I'm applying a mattifying top coat so all the nails match. And this is the final look. Besides the color not being what I thought it was, I like the polish. I've been wanting to try one of these matte glitters, and I finally got the chance. It doesn't have a ton of texture as I thought it would, but it does have some, which was actually very noticeable when I filled in the triangle. There's a lot of texture there, but I personally don't mind. The stamping polish I really enjoyed. In the past, I've thought they wouldn't work for stamping, but I've been surprised more than once by holo polishes. I had never mattified one though. I wouldn't recommend it because it gets very dull. I didn't think it was that bad, but it kind of defeats the purpose. Moving on from the polishes, I really like the plate. These kind of plates are great in my opinion because they're very versatile and as always excellent quality. I hope you enjoyed this mani and the video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!